ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं तस्यमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधि साक्षीभूतं भावातीतं गगनसदृशं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुपदम् मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरु कृपा। सद्गुरु भगवान की जय, स्वामी जी महाराज की जय, शिवोहम। We are taking the 10th stanza of chapter 10 Bhagavad Gita. तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकम् ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन माम उपयन्ति ते। तेषां them satat yuktanam continuous involved in my meditation of awareness Priti Purvakam with the great love and the affection to me. Jagatam Bhajatam. Bhajatam, it means to know the Atma Jnana, doing meditation of Sakshi. Tam, it means that Buddhi Yogam, yoga of extreme knowledge of liberation by the meditation. Dadami, I give in from that yoga, from that joining in me, they only to come in me and get in me. They get into in me. Them continuous involving in meditation of awareness with love and the great affection. For knowing the meditation of awareness, Sakshi to Atma Jnana, that the yoga of extreme knowing of liberation, extreme knowledge of liberation, I gave them. From that yoga, they only get into in me. The Sadguru Satchidananda Paramatma, the master of infinite millions of galaxies and the billions of infinite universes, the only and only installation and the base of all creation, Lord Krishna came on the earth in the human body, and he is telling to Arjuna, and this knowledge is topest precious knowledge for all the seekers of the world. Krishna is telling about the condition of enlightenment. Krishna is telling the characteristics of the seekers and lovers. Krishna is telling how a person can achieve the grace of the Master God, how a person is become the able to get this secret knowledge of liberation, and what is the stage when the Master gives the key of liberation. The Krishna is telling that those persons, they are maintain the continuity in the meditation, unbreakable continuity, no disturbance at all. They do the meditation with the whole heart, They do the meditation regularly. They never miss the meditation. They never miss a second. They involve all the energy and attention to seeing inside in the Sakshi. That persons, they are full of love and affection with the knowing the Atma Jnana. They know that Sadguru is like the living God in front of them. They know that Sadguru is only and only person who can liberate their soul. They know that Sadguru is only and only God for them, because the physical body, only it is possible, nothing too possible in physical body, that you can see that divine God invisible. So, they are very, very loving and very, very affectionate to the feet of Sadguru. When they do the meditation of knowing, the meditation of Sakshi, the awakened meditation of Sakshi, with full efforts, with 100% involving, devoting the energy, and there is no any desire other worldly, only there is only one goal of the life, that how they can get the enlightenment, or how can they get to know inner side of soul, that is the real form of the God. That is called Atma, and Atma Sakshatkara is only and only stage for liberation. So other things they ignore, and only the Atma Sakshatkara they giving the top priority. When the Sadguru see their real devotion, when the Sadguru see their continuity, when the Sadguru see their really love for God and Sadguru, when Sadguru see they have nothing in negativity, when Sadguru see they are very attentive, when Sadguru see their respect and love is real, not a fake or not artificial, when Sadguru see they are standing in that particular ripe stage of meditation, they are 100% obey the instruction of the Sadguru, they are honestly doing the Sakshi, they are sitting in the meditation in pin drop silent, they do the work with the meditation, they walk in meditation, they talk in meditation, they walk in meditation, they sing in meditation, they sleep in the meditation. The meditation covered all over their life, 24 hours, 365 days and many, many years. When the Sadgurus see that they are ripe now, they are prepared now, they are able to bear that knowledge of liberation, then after Sadguru give them Tattva Jnana Yoga, Buddhi Yogam. That Buddhi Yogam is the secret of extreme knowledge. That secret of extreme knowledge, when they get, at once they get Atma Sakshatkar, and then at once they get Atma Sakshatkar, simultaneously they submerge into the God existence, they reach their home, that get liberation, they never born and never die. Even they will not become the Brahma, even they will not become the Manu, even they will not become the Saptarishi. They are direct submerged into the God. There is no identity. Only God is present in them. Even they looking alive, but they are alive God. Nobody knows go, nobody knows no, but only they knows, and their lovers knows, but general person criticize them, general person maybe backward them, general person maybe wrong opinion about them, because the blind do like this, but they knows they are standing in the supreme peace of enlightenment. They are standing in the supreme awareness of enlightenment. They are just God. The nature never obstruction in their life. No, nothing is disturbing in their life. Nothing is tension. Nothing is pain. Nothing is sorrow. Nothing the differentiations. Only and only the peace, pleasure and enlightenment of Atma Sakshatkara remaining there. My dear friends, this is the very, very highest teaching of the spiritual last stage. So please listen careful and do the Sakshi meditation. The Sakshi meditation is the start of liberation. The Sakshi meditation is the door of Atma Jnana. The Sakshi meditation is the door enter in the God's existence. The Sakshi meditation is the only and only alternative to wash out all the pain, all the tension, all the worries, all the dilemmas, all the mesmerism, all the illusions. So my dear friends, do the Sakshi meditation with the great love and happiness with the existence. And I am with you. Don't worry, I will help you until my body is present on this earth. But I am telling you, please, I request you, please, these videos will be uploaded on YouTube. Please subscribe my video, and please, if you want to learn this meditation, then nearly 1st August 2015 in New Delhi, there is a one-day camp. You can come in that camp. I am inviting you with the great love and respect. Please come if you want to learn the meditation. This is the miraculous meditation of awareness and Atma Sakshatkar. Thank you very much. Love you very much.